Okay, hi. About a year ago, I gave a talk to a group of engineers at a local university about the Internet of Things and its implications on their careers and our futures in general. And finally, we've put together that presentation into a white paper. You'll find it here. It includes a lot of interesting anecdotes. For example, did you know in early 2016, Samsung asked their users not to have private conversations in front of their smart TVs, because Samsung smart TVs recorded everything and sent it all to the internet. Very dangerous. There's a lot of incidents of webcams being hijacked by nefarious characters and talking to, for example, children in their cots at night whose parents are watching over them through a webcam. There are other incidents of cars being hijacked through a web browser where a standard web browser can hijack any of a particular brand of car in the world and press the brakes on it remotely. So this article covers a lot of different areas of the IoT, including a utopian future, the current issues we're facing today, and the challenges particularly within the industrial environment. And then finally it brings us on to what is the future role of a data scientist within industry. Today we rely really heavily on them to make sense of all the data that our machines and our industrial processes generate. But my argument in this article is that just like for singers 100 years ago, where there were lots of jobs available for local singers in local pubs to sing to people and be paid, today you don't get that anymore. Instead, there are a few big winners who earn millions and millions of pounds, like Beyonce and Ed Sheeran, and all the other singers get nothing. And I believe that in 20 years from now, the same will apply to data scientists. There'll be a few of the very best data scientists in the world working at the very biggest companies, getting paid huge amounts of money, but they will write algorithms that analyze everyone else's data en masse. So this article is a rounded overview of the next 10 years for IoT from the point of view of an engineer and someone in the industrial environment. Thank you.